250,000K. No shady crypto flips, no guru course funnels, just halal tech, LinkedIn DMs, and one very overused laptop. In this video, I'll break down how I pivoted from job jail into contracting freedom and built a halal income stream that finally felt like it had barakah, not burnout. I'll also show you how I set up legally and cleanly, the tools I used to land rolling contracts, how I set my day rate without feeling like I was playing guess who with my self-worth. And yes, there's an Easter egg in here. Hint hint, H2O. Once upon a time, I had the stable salary, the corporate emails, and the internal scream of, surely this is my final form. I was working full time, raising kids, and trying to squeeze my salah into 15-minute lunch breaks, while someone in HR was scheduling yet another mandatory fun Zoom quiz. I didn't want luxury, I wanted leverage. To be able to work, pray, and parent without asking for approved time off, to attend Jum'ah guilt-free. So I pivoted, not emotionally, contractually. So step 1, my setup. I opened a Revolut business account. It's clean, fast, and they didn't ask me to fix a utility bill like it's 2007. I hired a local accountant who explained everything like I was 5, which was a deal, because when it comes to tax brackets and corporation dividends, I am 5. Tools I used, Revolut Business, and Excel for bookkeeping, kept it simple at first. My payout formula was basic but intentional. A portion for salary, a portion for savings, and a portion to give, and a little something for halal guilty pleasures, like a second monitor or a gaming mouse. I made a promise, oh Allah, let my income come from a halal source and never let me have to lie, cheat, or stress about chasing money. Another important thing was I had to register my own limited company. Thankfully, the local accountant helped me through this process as well. It's quite key if you want to open up a business account or pretty much land any serious clients. So, negotiating day rates. Here's what no one tells you. You don't negotiate like a job application. You negotiate like a consultant. Them, what's your expected day rate? Me, 600 euros a day. Them, we were thinking 500 euros. Me, so we were both thinking. Rule 1. Silence can be a sunnah sometimes. Rule 2. Always quote your worth and not your self-doubt. Rule 3. Rizq is written, but so too is the invoice, and it's due in 14 days. I stopped being shy about my rates when I realized I'm not selling hours, I'm selling impact, outcome, and peace of mind. Also, I have 4 kids. That's 4 tuitions and at least 1 weekly chicken nugget crisis. So some advice for Muslims in tech. If you are stuck in a job that drains you spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, this might be your sign. Here's how to start your own halal pivot. Pick a lane: application security, cloud security, penetration testing. Hey, it could be indie hacking or development. Don't chase 7 certs at once. 2. Learn the tools, specifically in cybersecurity, things like Burp Pro, Kali Linux, Bloodhound, PowerShell, etc. Build in public, post once a week on LinkedIn with something useful. 4. Save 3 to 6 months expenses before you jump in. 5. Make niyyah every morning. Ya Allah, let me earn with dignity, serve with ihsan, and never sell my akhirah for a day rate. So there you have it. Well thought of. This channel isn't just about tech tips. It's about building a halal life that actually works, financially, mentally, and spiritually. If you want more barakah, more bandwidth, and maybe fewer Zoom calls with middle managers named Gary, then subscribe for real tech advice without the fluff. Comment below with your tech stack or where you are stuck. I'll reply, inshallah. Share this with a brother or sister trying to figure out how to build income with integrity. Risk isn't in the contract, it is in tawakkul. Let's build better, let's build halal. Until next time.